3024, thank you so much.
North Tower, Cirrus 2247 Romeo, Short 35, ready to depart IFR.
Cirrus 2247 Romeo, Norwood Tower, hold short runway 35, waiting IFR release.
Hold short of 3547.
Cirrus 2247 Romeo, after departure, turn left heading 280, runway 35, clear for takeoff.
Left 280, cleared for takeoff, 2247 Romeo.
Warrior 42 Tango, traffic is a Cirrus that will be departing prior to your arrival.
I've got it, 42 Tango.
Norwood Tower, 70129 Whiskey Sierra, is holding short 35.
Cessna 129 Whiskey Sierra, Norwood Tower, hold short runway 35, traffic short final.
Holding short 129 Whiskey Sierra.
Forty-two Tango's going to the FBO, I can make Charlie.
Cherokee 5442 Tango, roger, left turn on Charlie, taxi to parking via Charlie, remain this frequency.
Hey, to parking lot Charlie with you, 42 Tango.
Cirrus 47 Romeo, contact Boston departure 120.6, have a great flight.
Contacting departure 47 Romeo.
33.0. 330176.
Boston departure, Cirrus 2247 Romeo, 1,500 and climbing 2,000, heading 280.
Cirrus 2247 Romeo, Boston departure, ident, climb and maintain 3,000.
Ident, climb maintain 3,000, 47 Romeo.
Number 47 Romeo, radar contact 2 miles northwest of Norwood, turn left, angle 170.
Left 170, 47 Romeo.